Hi guys, this is Meghna and today my topic is to discuss about our today's guest lecturer. So let's go into our video. On 10th April, we have attended a guest lecturer meeting. The guest lecturer was Mr. Pariki Pandla Narahari sir. He is Secretary and Commissioner Government of Madhya Pradesh, India. Sir said many important points which are very useful and important to us. Sir said about managing personality. We have to manage our personality by being spiritual, professional, and physical. Sir said that we have to know ourselves first. It means first point is helping others is good, but after knowing what we want. Second point, we have to carefully control our emotional reactions. Third point is we have to record our experience and emotions in a notebook. Fourth point is we have to try to see the situations from the perspective of another person. We have to clear our goal settings and we have to monitor our goals. Sir said to we have to be active every time and we have to be regular. We have to motivate others to stay motivated. We have to be critical about ourselves. At the same time, praise ourselves. We have to make friends, move with everybody, and we should not form groups because we may lose our good personalities by early grouping discussions. And we have to make eye contact with who we communicate. We have to greet our teachers and smile as we do. We have to avoid too much multitasking. It means we have to avoid that doing two double things at the same time when working on complex or dangerous tasks like driving practicals, etc. We have to focus on the task at hand and we have to eliminate distractions when we are doing a task. Sir said, when we are sad, we have to recollect our good situations. By that we can feel some happy and we can concentrate on our works. We have to learn to trust people, no matter what it is. And there are good and all kinds of people in this world. We have to think positive. Leadership has a long term positive effect, whereas mob leadership is short lived and goes unnoticed. Plans into actions. It means if we plan anything, we have to do that. It means plans into actions. We have to be regular. And clear goal means we have to achieve our goals, then only our goals will be clear. Swami Vivekananda wrote, true discipleship opens the vision. Here, true discipleship means only not a student or learner, the follower of a teacher or school. And it kindles the spiritual fire, it awakens the dormant faculties. It is most necessary in one's journey along the spiritual path. Means the follower of teacher, it is the most necessary in one's journey along with spiritual path. Guru and disciple become one. The Guru blessed guides and inspires the disciple. Our teachers can bless. Our teachers are blessing us, guiding us, and inspiring us. He transmits, transforms, and spiritualizes him, and they can transmit us, transforms us, and spiritualizes us. I'm thanking our management for providing such a fabulous opportunity to interact with the sir. Sir gave motivation to us and he said many important points which are useful as in our future. And once again, thank you.